Hello everyone, this is Maxilimit. So today we will be doing the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Tab A. Here we have the 10.5. USB Type-C charging cable, a quick start guide, and of course an ejecting tool for the memory card tray. And that's pretty much it, nothing else in the box. Let's now bring our attention to the tablet itself. So as I mentioned before, this is a 10.5 inch. So at the back we can see the camera, the flash, and of course the Samsung logo at the bottom. On top of the tablet we have the speakers, the microphone. On the side we have the keyboard connector, so at the bottom we have two more speakers and the charging port. You will also find the power button, the volume button, one more microphone, and the memory card tray. And of course in the front we have our front facing camera and the sensors. Overall, this is a great looking tablet. And we are now at the end of our unboxing. On our next video, we'll be doing the setup and a full review of the Samsung Galaxy Tab 8. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Maxilimit here, signing out.